Incoming device is Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus, gold in color. The rear camera lens does not appear to be cracked. The back glass does have a crack spanning from the upper right hand to across each of the corner. Check with the bottom device. Looks like the headphone jack is around the charging port. Does go in snug, but it's not giving it incoming charge current, possibly indicating there may be an issue with either the port or the battery. The power button and volume button do give an audible click, but no actual response from the device. Go ahead and plug up the wireless charger we have here to test whether or not the wireless charging is working with this device.